Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use breakout rooms in Zoom step by step. So breakout rooms are useful when you want to divide a larger meeting into smaller groups for discussions, activities, or brainstorming. So first, I want you to start your Zoom meeting and look for the More option in the meeting controls. On the desktop, you'll usually find it at the bottom of the meeting window. And if you are using mobile, tap More from the toolbar and from there select Breakout Rooms. Next, choose how many rooms you want to create. Think about how many participants you have and how large you want each group to be. After that, choose how Zoom should assign people to the rooms, and you can assign participants automatically, assign them manually, or allow participants to choose their own room. Automatic assignment is the quickest option because Zoom divides everyone for you, and manual assignments give you more control over who goes into each group, while allowing participants to choose works well when you want them to select the discussion they prefer. So once everything is set up, click create and then Zoom will prepare the breakout rooms based on the options that you selected. And if you do not see the breakout rooms option, make sure you're the host or your co-host, your Zoom is updated and breakout rooms are enabled in your account settings. And that is how you can quickly set up breakout rooms in Zoom and organize your meeting into smaller groups. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.